Hey there, puzzle enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we challenge your mind and sharpen your wits. Curious about how sharp your brain really is? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into some brain teasers that will really make you think. Today I've got 7 mind-bending riddles that'll put your brain power to the test. Ready? Let's dive in. These aren't just any riddles, they're designed to stretch your cognitive abilities and make you see things from a new perspective. First up, here's a challenge for those keen eyes. This one's all about observation and attention to detail. Take a look at these 2 photographs of women's faces. They might look similar at first glance, but there's a twist. One's right side up, the other's upside down. It's a classic trick to test your brain's ability to process visual information. What mistake do these photos have in common? Got it? It's a subtle but fascinating error that plays with our perception. The upside down face looks distorted because our brains aren't used to processing facial features in that orientation, especially the eyes and mouth. Cool, right? Next, let's talk t-shirts. This one's a bit of a trick question. How many holes does a typical t-shirt have? Think beyond the obvious. The answer is 8. Surprised? You've got the neckline, the bottom opening, 2 sleeves, and the front and back fabric holes. Tricky, huh? All right, riddle 3. This one's all about nature and your ability to spot the hidden. Can you spot the camouflaged bird hidden within this scenery? Take a good look. Spotted it yet? There it is. It's amazing how nature can hide in plain sight. Camouflage is fascinating. It really messes with our perception. On to riddle 4. This one's a bit of a word puzzle. Here's some text on the screen. Look closely and see if you can spot the error. Do you see the repeated word? It's a common trick that plays on how our brains process written information. Our brains often skim over repeated words, especially in long blocks of text. Did you catch it? It's a great way to test your attention to detail. Now here's a fun one. Look at this tree. It's not just any tree, there's something hidden within its branches. Can you find the hidden baby among the branches? It's a test of your ability to see patterns and shapes. Look closely. There it is, hidden in plain sight, just like the bird earlier. Isn't it amazing how our brains can pick out hidden shapes? Riddle 6. This one's a classic optical illusion. Which of these 2 lines is longer? It's a simple question, but the answer might surprise you. Believe it or not, both lines are the same length. It's all about how our brains perceive distance and space. Optical illusions like this exploit our brain's perception. Pretty wild, right? They show just how easily our senses can be tricked. Finally, let's test your memory. This one's a bit of a pop culture reference. What color is Mike Wazowski from Monsters, Inc? Green. It's a simple question, but it tests your recallability. This riddle plays on short-term memory and distraction. It's a fun way to see how well you can remember details. So, how did you do? Did you manage to solve most of these riddles, or did some of them stump you? If you solve most of these riddles, your brain is sharp and adaptable. It's always good to challenge yourself with puzzles and brain teasers. Remember, a young brain is one that stays flexible and open to new information. Keep challenging yourself and stay curious. If you enjoyed these brain-boosting puzzles, hit that like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. We've got plenty more where these came from. Thanks for watching, and keep those brains busy. Until next time, stay sharp and keep puzzling.